How long is my immigration case going to take? That seems to be a very, very common question. My name is John Ting. I help you secure your legal status so you can live and work in America legally. Now let's talk about it. So is the processing time predictable with USCIS? To some extent. It depends on the application, depends who is a sponsor, the relationship. It depends on a lot of things. And this is a immediate relative classification. So this is if it's petition only. There's no adjustment of status application on file with this. This generally been about 12 to 15 months. But this one right here is worse. This is the family preference filing for I-130. And it used to say right here about 20 to 24 months, just a couple months ago. But they made a change that I believe makes it worse. Because there are some people who are living in the United States. When I mean people, I mean the immigrant beneficiary, who have unlawful presence, who need to file the I-601A waiver. That waiver now shows 42.5 months. Fortunately, I guess to some extent, fortunately, our own waiver cases, 601A, have been processing about 3 years, so 36 months. Okay, so this is what you need to know, that what it showed a second ago. Right here, family preference petition, long story short, it says, look, we're not going to approve it. We're not going to make a decision on petition until the priority date, basically the receipt date, shows up on the visa bulletin. Problem, because again here, the waiver is 42.5 months on average. Is this accurate? Not exactly. It's not a science. But you can't file the waiver, 601A, until the petition I-130 is approved. Then you're put up against this 1 year deadline to proceed to the case, continue with the case on the second phase with the State Department or National Visa Center to move the case along, but you have 1 year. And then you have to let them know, hey, by the way, I have a waiver I need to file now, but I could have done this a long time ago if you just give me the chance. And then the phase 2 of the visa bulletin, it depends on the category. It depends on the family preference category. So you could already be waiting, let's say like a family sibling relationship, like 10 plus years. Who wants to wait that long and then file a waiver and wait more time? Ridiculous. So with the election coming up tomorrow, I actually think the election is more predictable than USCIS processing times. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. Not trying to say it's rigged or anything. By the way, who do you think is going to win tomorrow? Let me know in the comments. Oh, we're also thinking about filing a lawsuit. So if this affects you and you need to file a waiver, DM us, contact us, schedule a meeting. File for more.